Oh shit, and my nuts hurt. Okay.
Don't worry, I'll edit that out. Not.
You're on high.
Okay, how do I do this?
You let go. You let go.
So fuck.
You have to let go.
It pinches. Ow! It pinches my nuts. Don't. Well, no more.
No, just figure out what part was pinching and slide it so that it doesn't.
Hayden, give me that chair.
Hayden, don't give him the fucking chair.
Ah, give me the.
Don't give him the chair.
Give me the chair. No.
Figure out what part's pinching, unpinch it, and try again.
My nuts are gonna be bruised tomorrow morning.
Good.
And not for drinks this time.
Excuse me?
Why am I videotaping this?
Because it's hilarious.
This is going on YouTube as Logan playing with himself.
Thank you.
Does your nut feel better now? Hey, how the hell do I...
Okay, that right one hurts.
Shut up.
You don't.
Well, I think I might be able...
Well, I basically can't.
Okay, turn the fan on.
Aiden, pull the chair out of the way.
Okay, just...
And then turn it on. Now turn it on.
Why can't we leave it on the chair nearby him when we do that?
Because we don't want to injure him.
Yes, we do.
Well, you might, but I don't.
I do, and I'm his girlfriend, so...
Michael, what did I just tell you?
Sorry.
Leave arms like this?
Sure. I've been known to wrap them across them and wrap them behind my back when I'm straight up, but that works. That looks like it works.
He hits the wires, zaps him all over the place. I'd laugh my ass off.
We know you would. You're just sadistic.
I am sadistic. I enjoy watching my boyfriend in pain. I'm glad I'm not your boyfriend.
Holy fuck, it's so fast. Holy fuck. What the hell? It looks like I'm gonna hit something.
If anything, it's gonna be the pool table.
What?
Push him over to the pool table.
Don't push him at all.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
How's my foot smell, Logan?
Holy shit.
The fuck kind of noise was that?
You probably don't want to know.
Logan.
Holy shit. Oh fuck.
I should turn it on high.
It's on high.
Oh fuck.
Now isn't that fun, flipping while you're spinning?
Oh shit. I got that chair. I need that chair. I need that.
Did you say one more? One more?
No, not one more.
No.
That chair.
No, meaning one more and then it's off.
I don't care.
It
is off.
Yeah, now. But when I said one more, it wasn't.
By the way, don't do that.
Ow! My nuts hurt.
Hey, Logan.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wear a cup when you do this. Oh. It wasn't because of Jinx this time.
Yeah, this time. Next time it will be.
Don't
oh,
do this
that's
at
how
home.
I shift.
Fucking hurts.
As usual, go to a friend's house first.
Yeah.
Feel like walking anytime soon?
No.
Do you like fucking Aiden anytime soon?
No.
Yes, please.
I find that pretty...
Get a dildo.
Fuck that. You
No.
would.
No, you can just rape me too.
Dildo's probably bigger.
Jinx, you
Yeah,
would want to
dildo's
have
bigger.
a dildo up your bum.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yep. Michael! Yes? What? What?
Okay, one more
Still
time.
recording?
I'm still recording.
One more time.
Why did you record me playing this game?
Where's the other spring at?
Who knows? I think you launched it across the house.
Except for your ass, Logan.
Seriously?
There's one, I think, on the pool table there. Nope, that's not a spring. I gotta get rid of that thing. I keep seeing